Welcome, design enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of wall transformation. Our new YouTube video is a visual feast of 3D design and wallpaper ideas that'll ignite your creativity. From elegant damask patterns to futuristic hexagons, we've got the inspiration your walls crave. Join us for the whole video as we unveil the secrets to elevating your space. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on a journey where every wall becomes a canvas for your unique style. Let the transformation begin.
Creating a stunning 3D wallpaper design for your living room can add a unique and visually appealing touch to the space. Here are some ideas and tips to inspire your 3D wall design. Geometric patterns. Utilize geometric shapes and patterns for a modern and sleek look. Consider 3D cubes, hexagons, or other geometric forms. Play with contrasting colors to enhance the depth. Nature-inspired designs. Bring the outdoor inside with nature-inspired 3D wallpapers. Tree branches, floral patterns, or landscapes can add a calming effect. Option for earthy tones or pastel colors for a harmonious feel. Textured wallpapers. Choose wallpapers with different textures for a tactile experience. Examples include fox brick, stone, or wood textures. This adds warmth and depth to the living room. Abstract art. Explore abstract 3D art for a bold and contemporary look. Vibrant colors and irregular shapes can create an eye-catching feature wall. Consider hiring a local artist for a custom mural. Optical illusions. Play with optical illusions to make the room appear larger. Vertical stripes or patterns can make the ceiling seem higher. Diagonal lines can add a dynamic and energetic vibe. Metallic accents. Integrate metallic elements for a touch of glamour. Consider 3D wallpapers with metallic finishes or patterns. Gold, silver, or copper accents can elevate the overall design. Personalized photo murals. Use a favorite photo or artwork for a personalized touch. Modern printing technology allows for high-quality custom photo murals. This creates a unique and sentimental focal point. Minimalist 3D design. Embrace simplicity with minimalist 3D design. Clean lines and subtle patterns can enhance a modern aesthetic. Stick to a monochromatic color scheme for a cohesive look. Light and shadow play. Incorporate lighting effect to enhance the 3D effect. Strategically placed lights can create interesting shadows. Consider backlighting the wallpaper for a dramatic impact. Trompe l'oeil effects. Explore trompe l'oeil techniques for realistic illusions. This could include creating the appearance of architectural elements or windows. It adds a touch of creativity and surprise to the space. Before making a final decision, consider the overall theme of your living room, existing furniture, and color palettes. Samples or digital mock-ups can help you visualize the design in your space before committing to a particular 3D wallpaper. Hi there, if you are enjoying the content so far, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button below? By subscribing, you shall stay updated with our latest videos and be a part of our awesome community.